Thank you for joining us on Black Investments Matter. I'm Antoine Anderson. Continuing on our cancel culture series, we're going to go ahead and show you how to cancel your HBO Max subscription. Stay tuned. We're going to jump right into the app on this one. This one was kind of confusing. I'm going to tell you why. There was a previous video I posted on how to remove subscription services through Google Pay, which is the method I use to create this account. And I'm going to show you kind of the issues that I ran into when I did that. So first and foremost, let's just jump into it. And you're going to log in to your computer this time. You're going to go into your max.com website. That's the URL. And you're going to sign in. You're going to give it the email address as your username. And type in your password. Now, unlike some of the other apps, you will have to select the profile you're using to get into the actual settings. So let's go ahead and do that. Once there, you will have the traditional icon in the upper left-hand corner, and you're going to go to subscription. Here's where things get really interesting. See, you're not able to do this on the medium in which you use to watch the service. That's the TV, so you can't do it there. You go to your computer, log in, and it gives you the plan, but it doesn't let you go in to manage the subscription. So you go to the link that they have posted on the subscription, and it takes you to the Google Play Store. On the Google Play Store platform, all it gives you is the method of payment and nothing else. Even if you select the correct account, in my case, it's going to be that account. You go back, you can quickly find yourself getting lost in the sauce, so to speak, and not being able to get in or out of the subscription page is very confusing, and I didn't like it. I ended up finding a way to get in and out of the situation, or getting in and out of the subscription, by checking on my phone and doing it there, and it actually linked me to my Google Play Store, and it showed me all of the subscriptions I am paying for the service through Google Pay. It's, like I said, it's confusing. I was able to pause the subscription through Google Pay, but I had to do it on the phone. You can't do it on the PC, which is a problem. And for that reason, I'm going to go ahead and give this thing customer service rating of 2 out of 5 stars. I just did not like the process. It is not friendly to users. If I, as a 15-year professional, had difficulties looking for the exit, so to speak, users with less experience are going to find it quite bothersome. So no, I don't like the exit strategy if you ever have to get rid of your HBO Max application or streaming service. It's just not user friendly. Leave your comments below. I'll open it up for discussion. Again, no knock against the service itself. It has great content, but at $15, my personal opinion is, yeah, I can do without it, especially since some of my favorite shows on that platform are no longer there, Raised by Wolves. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments below, and we'll talk to you very, very soon.